If you or your children love to draw with pencil or Sharpie, I'm going to show you very easy and really fun ideas of making phenomenal gift bags. Very easy. I don't even think, and they're crooked, but that's the whole fun of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very crooked, but very fun, right? So I'll show you just a variety of different sizes, maybe even pairs, maybe even barn. It's entirely up to you, but I'm focusing on the simplest design everybody can do. I'm not going to complicate things at all. Next, you can leave this as is, or you can add snow and snow on the branches. So we're going to look at several round brushes and choose. So let's see, the trees are not really big, so I'm going to choose kind of middle size acrylic, and very, very simple and loose movement. I'm kind of pushing a little bit on top, pushing a little bit here, maybe branches inside. Boom, 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 boom. You can stop right here, it's already fun. Or you can add, as I showed you before, with the back of the same brush, you can do some snowflakes. You can do snowflakes using this brush, like this. Just take a little bit of, and just do sprinkling. So right now, because I already have done this bag with snowflake like this when I wrote, I'll leave this bag a little bit simple, modern, and elegant.